para kay Ice dapat ng pinaghahandaan. And since, you know, we're celebrating you, I want to take this opportunity also, since nandito na rin ako, to say thank you for having me here. Just kidding. No, really, thank you for being who you are. No, and thank you for sharing your talent, what you can do. Hindi lang sa pagkanta. Lagi kong sinasabi to that you are really meant to be where you are now. Nilikha ka para gawin to. No, and you are an amazing person. No, if you talk about being an artist, syempre naging from being an actor, tapos singer, dancer pa.
Yeah.
Lumilevel idol.
Matinee idol,
ganyan. Not only that, producer, director, lahat na po ginagawa niya. And dun sa mga talents niya, ako ay pinagpala. And it never stopped na pakiramdam ko blessing na nakilala ko si Ice. Bilang kaibigan. At the right moment, at the right time, I met niya. I love you guys.
Dami ko ba? Dami mo?
I love you, Ice. And yeah, like Ice mentioned, parehas din tayo mayayain din. Hindi rin ako magaling nagsusulat talaga. Ganun din yung pakiramdam ko. Kaya sige tayo nagkakaintindihan. Pero sobra lang yung talento mo.
Kala mo lang.
Oo.
Wala kang tiwala.
Yung bata ka talaga.